350,000 people are injured by knives each year. This video will explain to you how to keep all your fingers intact while cutting fruits and vegetables. You will need a paring knife about 2.5 to 4 inches long. And you need a chef knife, which is usually 6 to 14 inches long. Rule number 1: keeping your cutting knives sharp is very important when it comes to knife safety. A sharp knife cuts into the object right away, while a dull knife may slide and cause you to lose control. Rule number 2: you need a cutting board to cut your fruits and vegetable on, preferably a wood or plastic one. You want to keep E. coli, Salmonella, bacteria from living on your cutting board. They can cause food poisoning. After every use, clean your board with hot water, a little bit of soap or lemon, then let it hang dry. Use your paring knife when you're slicing fruits, and for cutting fat off meats. The blade is simple and extremely sharp, and easy to control. Use your chef knife to cut vegetables and meats. The chef knife is best used when you are cutting meat, dicing vegetables, disjointing, and slicing herbs. When you're holding the knife in your hand, grip the handle and put your thumb on the other side of the blade. Never take your eyes off of what you are cutting, and while you're cutting, go slow. Make sure to keep all your fingers and thumb out of the way of the cutting line. If a knife is knocked over and it's about to fall on the ground, let it fall, do not attempt to catch it. Choosing the right knife for the job is very important. Each knife have a different purpose. You may need a firm knife for a particular job. Or you may need one that can bend a little, or you may need a small knife for small foods. It all depends on what you are cutting. When slicing vegetables, the hand that is holding the vegetable, make sure you are moving the hand back a bit before every slice. To keep your knives nice and sharp, you should sharpen them after 2 to 4 uses. When your knife become dull, that is because the edges of the blade has bent. When you are sharpening a knife, you want to cause the edges to bend back straight so that the blade can cut clean again. When you are walking with a knife in your hand, always hold it pointing down. Don't forget to properly wash your hands before and after touching raw meat or poultry. After you use your knife, hand wash your knives with warm water. We hope that this video taught you something about knife safety. If you think this video was helpful, please click on the like button.